Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to withdraw your XRP from Coinbase and transfer it to Revolut in 2025, you've come to the right place. This process has gotten even smoother with updated interfaces and security features, but it's still crucial to handle your crypto with care. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, I'll walk you through this step by step so you can do it quickly and safely. First things first, make sure you have verified accounts on both Coinbase and Revolut. This is essential for smooth transactions and to comply with 2025's tighter crypto regulations. Start by logging into your Coinbase account on the app or website. Once you're in, navigate to your portfolio and select your XRP wallet. It's usually right there on the dashboard for easy access. Next, click on the Withdraw or Send option in your XRP wallet. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. Now, switch over to your Revolut app. Head to the crypto section, find your XRP wallet, and copy the address. Paste it carefully into the Coinbase withdrawal form. Double-check everything to avoid any costly mistakes. Enter the amount of XRP you want to withdraw, but remember to account for network fees, which might be around 0.1 to 1% in 2025 depending on market conditions. Review the details one last time, then hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, and the transaction will start processing. This could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, so grab a coffee and keep an eye on your account. Once it's complete, jump back to Revolut and refresh your XRP balance. You should see the funds arrive. A quick tip: always enable two-factor authentication and use secure networks to protect your assets. With crypto regulations evolving in 2025, stay updated on any changes from Coinbase or Revolut. There you have it. That's how you withdraw XRP from Coinbase to Revolut. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.